Okay, I've got my 7th antique reproduction engine running off of a 20-inch boiler that I built. And this auction just includes the engine and the oiler on the other side, and I'll show you that in a minute. There's the oiler right there. Really nice oiler. I machined all the parts. I get the castings done. I developed the patterns for the casting. Forward and reverse. Just a temporary exhaust fan on it. And it's running about 250 RPM right now. Get going here a little bit more. Just the valve here. Really sweet running engine. Of course, it's just sitting on this table, so it's a little rocky. But once it's down on the ground, it feels solid. And I'll put it in reverse.